Well, it's another day here in Hawaii. Last night after dinner, we came back, hung out in the hot tub for just a little bit before we went up to the room and basically went to bed. So now we're up and at 'em. We don't know what we're going to do today. We might go to the Pali Lookout. We might go to the Hawaiian Polynesian Cultural Center. We're not sure yet. We're still deciding. It's noon right now and we haven't got out of the hotel room. A little bit later than yesterday, but that's okay. We're on vacation. We don't need to be out of the room at any certain time. We're just chilling, taking it easy. So once we figure out what we're going to do, we'll let you guys know and we'll be on our way. Okay, so we have a plan. Sort of. We're not going to the Polynesian Cultural Center since it closes at 5. There's dinner stuff and luau's that happen after that, but we're not doing that. And it's almost 1 now. We're probably going to go to the Pali Lookout or maybe go to Waimea Beach or something like that. And like I said, it's 1 o'clock now. We have some time to get some stuff in. You know, and like I said, we're on vacation, so we're not on any time schedule. So that's the deal right now, and we'll see what happens. In the elevator right now, heading back down to the car, and we're on our way to the Pali Lookout. Okay, we made it. We are here at the Pali Lookout. Now, it is super, super windy up here. It was windy down there. It's just not because we went up high. It's just windy today. So you're going to hear a lot of wind on the microphone. But yeah, it is windy. So get ready to hear some wind shear. Like I said, you probably heard a lot of wind, but I wanted to get this in a non-windy spot. There are lots of bees up here. The little honeybees flying around, so yeah, I'm not a fan of bees. And if you don't hurt them, they're not going to hurt you. That's what they say. But yeah, there's a lot of bees flying around up here, and I'm not too happy about it. But we're getting some views, and as you can see, they were pretty nice views. But yeah, I'm just not happy about the bees. And it's windy and a little cold. Or chilly, you know, because, yeah, it's cool today. But I'm here for you, and I'm going to get you the shots that you need to see. Okay, so we're coming up on Lori here, and we gotta ask. Okay, Lori, what did you think about the bees?
There was an awful lot of bees, and they swarmed. And the amazing thing is, what looked like leaves was a whole bunch of dead bees on the ground. So, yeah, lots of bees. But if you go to the second level, then there's not really any, and you still get the great view. So, that's my thought on the bees.
And I'm just not crazy about bees.
Pali Lookout and the bees. At the Pali Lookout in Hawaii, what appears to be grass and leaves on the ground is actually piles of dead and dying bees. There was one right there. They even have a sign at the Pali Lookout in Hawaii. It warns about the bees. I just saw it because there's a ton of them.
We're on our way to dinner. Lori's looking for a sushi place, but she can't remember where it is. So we're walking down the street right now to figure it out. We're going in this direction, and she thinks it could be down here. If not, she's like, it has to be the other way. So we're going down. If it's not down there, we're going to turn around and go the other way. But we'll find it. I have faith. We're still walking. I still have the faith. I think we'll find it. It can't be that hard to find. Really can't. There's a sushi place probably every corner. See, there's one here, but I don't think that's it. But it could be. So, we'll see. I think that might be it. We might be in luck. Lori thinks this might be the place that we stumbled upon. So, she's looking to figure it out for sure by their menu, and we might be dining here. If not, we're on a quest to find the right location. Now, good news, bad news situation. This place only serves sushi. I don't eat sushi. I eat the cooked stuff. Lori, on the other hand, who is in the restaurant behind me here, loves the sushi. And Yeah, so she would be just fine eating here, but I need something cooked. So we're looking at a menu now. We might have to move on just for the fact that I don't eat sushi. So yeah, we're gonna look at a menu and figure it out. Womp, womp, womp. Well, we're not eating there since I don't eat the sushi, I don't eat the raw stuff. Lori, on the other hand, she was about to leave me on the side of the street and go eat herself. She was like, yeah, you just wait here while I go eat. But she decided against that. She thought that would be cruel and unusual punishment. So we're going to another place. There's a ton of restaurants on this street, and it might interest you. When we get there, I'll show you what I mean. Before we go eat, we have to get the cute puppies on tape. Aww. Oh, the cuteness factor alone.
Say hello. Oh. Look, the tail's wagging. The tail's wagging. And then,
Factor.
they like each other. I think so.
Yeah. I think they're friends.
Yes, we're friends. Hi.
Hi,
So
puppies.
cute. What was your dog's name again? June. Oh, June. This is Arena.
Pretty nice neighborhood here. Got some upscale places. Got a Subway, ABC stores. Yeah, it was pretty decent.
It's hard to hear your name when I haven't seen you in so long.
But let's just keep walking for a little while longer. Wow, look at this. Woohoo! 100% new. And interestingly enough, it's just that one little block right here. Then it starts to go upscale again right down here. Now, of course, I'm sure in Honolulu and other places, they have more than that one little block. They got a nice street or two. But yeah, all of a sudden, we're back to kind of the normal side again. Okay, we took a long walk down here because she thought there was going to be more restaurants. There's none. There were a few, but nothing that she wanted. IHOP, McDonald's, Subway. She's asking about one particular dish, and if it's not what she wants, then she doesn't want to eat here. So it looks like we're going back to the hotel and eating at the hotel restaurant. But on the bright side, I got a good cardio workout. Woohoo! Alright, well, never mind. Watch the steps here, and we're eating here. So yeah, we're not going back to the hotel, and yay, it wasn't a waste of my cardio exercise. It took us a while, but we made it, didn't we?
Yes, we did. Finally.
Pretty cool place up here. And it looks like they have a little area outside too. Small, but there's the door to get out. Pretty cool place. There was some really good food. I enjoyed it immensely. And I got the spicy, and it wasn't hot, but it was spicy enough, but not too mild, which is really good. And Lori had hers, and she really liked her food too. Now, there was a mishap with this right here. And we're going to get the full story, but not right now. When we get back to the hotel room, remind me to tell you what it was. Or I'll have Lori tell you, but when we get back to the hotel room, because we're getting ready to leave now. But there was a nice little mishap with that, and I think you deserve an explanation. Okay, so we promised that we would tell the story of the mishap at dinner, and here's Lori to explain it all.
The unhappy experience began with mild Thai food instead of medium Thai food. So I asked for some spice. See this little bit of pepper right here? I ate a piece half the size of that. I could barely breathe. My lips burnt, my tongue burnt, my mouth was on fire, and I had to ask for milk. But they didn't have milk. They didn't have coconut milk. So she brought me a little tiny container of condensed milk, canned milk. It tasted pretty nasty, but it did the trick. But it was so freaking hot. But yes, just a little bit of pepper goes a long way. Cut.
Well, there you go. That was our day today. And tomorrow we have another fun day in Hawaii, and it's almost time to go. So we're going to get as much in as we can, and we're going to do as much as possible, and it's going to be fun. So until we see you tomorrow, aloha